Alright, I'm excited to present you my CS50 final project, a Python-based AI chatbot named Randomizer, inspired by Jarvis from Iron Man. Randomizer is designed to provide users a variety of different random information, including jokes, quotes, movies, facts, and more. It's not just simple informative response, it's also interactive, engaging users in a simple yet enjoyable conversation. So let's dive in and explore the features of randomizers together.
What's up y'all, my name is Randomizer. I'm program that provide interesting random information. Here is a list of things I can just say.
Hello.
What's up man? What's poppin'?
How are you?
Doing good man.
Random fact.
You can be fined up to $1,000 for whistling on Sunday in Salt Lake City, Utah.
Random quote.
Quote, if you owe the bank $100, that's your problem. If you owe the bank $100 million, that's the bank's problem. Author, J. Paul Getty.
A random joke.
If you put 1,000,000 monkeys at 1,000,000 keyboards, one of them will eventually write a Java program, the rest of them will write Perl.
Random image. Oh, that's kinda beautiful. Exit. Exit.
Wish you happy day.
So that was Randomizer. Thanks for watching.